Hi, my name is Satoshi Silver, also known as the Cryptid Creator. Today, I'd like to dive into the question of whether Bitcoin can reach 1 million United States dollars. At first glance, that figure might seem impossible, a stretch of the imagination bordering on science fiction. Could Bitcoin really hit $1 million? Bitcoin's design is its strength, unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed endlessly. Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins. This scarcity gives it a property similar to gold, yet it offers significant advantages. Bitcoin is digital, easy to transfer, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. More importantly, Bitcoin is decentralized, means it is not controlled by any government, corporation, or individual. The equation driving Bitcoin's value is simple. Growing demand plus fixed supply equals price appreciation. Throughout history, humans have turned to gold as a store of value. Today, the gold market is valued at approximately $13 trillion. If Bitcoin were to capture just 20 to 50% of gold's market share, its market cap would range between $2.5 trillion and $6.5 trillion. Divided by Bitcoin's finite supply, this would put its price between $500,000 and $1 million per BTC. But can Bitcoin skyrocket just because of this? Probably not. It would require substantial institutional interest and massive capital inflows, opening the floodgates, so to speak. The good news is that Bitcoin has already started to attract institutional investors. These entities control trillions of dollars in capital, more than enough to drive BTC to $1 million and beyond, and this shift has already begun. MicroStrategy has added billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin to its balance sheet. Major banks now offer Bitcoin services to clients. Bitcoin ETFs are opening the door for further institutional investment. Another crucial factor is Bitcoin's programmed algorithm, which introduces an intrinsic periodic supply shock known as the Bitcoin Halving event. This event happens every 4 years and cuts the rewards given to miners by 50%, reducing the flow of new BTC entering the market. Historically, halvings have been followed by significant price increases. The dynamic movement after the 2024 halving event is still ongoing, but BTC has already reached $100,000. However, $1 million still seems far away, and will likely require several more halving events to hit that target. Bitcoin is also a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, which makes it increasingly attractive. Unlike the US dollar, euro, or yen, Bitcoin cannot be debased or printed into oblivion. As inflation continues, this property will likely drive Bitcoin demand even higher, pushing the price upward. All these dynamics will have a major impact on Bitcoin's development. Imagine a world where Bitcoin is recognized not just as an investment but as a global reserve asset. Countries facing economic instability or hyperinflation might adopt Bitcoin as a hedge against their failing currencies. We've already seen El Salvador become the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. If Bitcoin becomes a global neutral reserve asset, its price could easily surpass $1 million as demand explodes worldwide. But if this can happen, when might it be? A reliable prediction is impossible. We can look at historical patterns and attempt a stochastic projection into the future, but the factors of influence are uncertain, leaving the confidence interval quite large. Analyst predictions for the 2024 to 2028 halving cycle range from $113,000 to $250,000. For the following halving cycle, forecasts span from $500,000 to over $1 million. However, assuming adoption, institutional investment, and global economic shifts grow more modestly, it could take many more years to reach that target. Additionally, governments may increasingly regulate cryptocurrencies, which could support or slow their development. Finally, we should not fail to mention potential technological risks. While increasing computing power can support the Bitcoin ecosystem, it could also pose a risk to the underlying cryptocurrency technology in the future. Despite these uncertainties, Bitcoin has demonstrated remarkable resilience and growth over the past decade. In conclusion, the idea of Bitcoin reaching $1 million may sound ambitious, but if Bitcoin evolves into the global store of value, institutional asset, and monetary hedge that many believe it can be, $1 million is not just possible, it is most likely. No one knows exactly when this will happen, but let's say, we trust in Bitcoin. Thank you for your attention. If you found this content engaging, I'd greatly appreciate a like and encourage you to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss future updates. Your comments are highly appreciated. Until next time, this is Satoshi Silver, the Cryptid Creator.